Hi, I'm Shahan. I'm an undergraduate researcher at the University of Waterloo's VIP lab. What you're looking at is not a photo, but rather it's a 3D reconstruction I made of one of the scenes on campus. How I made it was I took over 1,000 photos using a friend's drone, and then I used a technique called Gaussian Splatting to create this 3D reconstruction of the scene. Gaussian Splatting is a technique that only came out around a month ago, and it's been really popular recently. One thing that's really cool is that it's running locally on my computer in the browser. And it's not using some fancy server GPU, but rather it's running all just on my laptop's integrated GPU. This is why it takes a moment to focus after you move the camera around, but this is something I'm working on improving. You can see that from some angles it did not perform as well, such as this angle. But from some angles, such as the starting angle I showed you, it works extremely well. Another thing I've been working on as part of my research has been how we can best edit these Gaussian splats. So a feature that I added is that you can come on the top right here and select a color, and then you can click somewhere on the ground or on the bridge, and then throw some paint on that part. You can really do this anywhere we want. We can pick a different color too. Another cool thing I added was an ability to remove certain parts of the scene. So for example, I can come and click on this part of the building and then just remove that part. And you can see that part of the building is gone. You can actually go play around with this yourself. You can go to my website at this link and play around with it. But yeah, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching.